everyone. My name is Melissa Contreras and
Vanity Paulina.
And we are here at Salon Republic, Hermosa Beach, Studio 28.
Today I'm going to be giving our model here, Rin, a little glam glow goddess. She's going to be looking like J-Lo walking out of here, honey.
And I'm going to be styling her hair. What we're going to be doing today is straightening out her curls, and we're going to add some extensions. Okay, so my client today, she has naturally wavy hair. What I typically do is shampoo and blow dry it straight, but today she came in with her natural hair. She let it air dry. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna add some blow dry spray from Kenra. This is heat protectant, and you can add this on wet or dry hair. So any humidity that's gonna hit her hair, this is gonna seal the hair and protect it from getting frizzy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of oil, actually a lot. This is the Unite. I'm gonna add this to the front. From the mid shafts to the ends, you don't wanna put it on the roots because it will cause their hair to go oily really quickly.
On our business cards, on our contracts, basically we help each other out. I obviously do makeup for her clients and she does hair for my clients. So we actually come together as a package, but of course if one of us are busy, we will probably have to find someone else if the client is comfortable with it. But for the most part, we do come as a combo. I think that's a lot easier, so they don't have to go and find another hairstylist or another makeup artist when they find either one of us. Yeah. It's like, oh, I already have a hairstylist for you.
For weddings, there's already so much going on. When they reach out to us, like me or Vanity, they're like, oh my gosh, it's so much easier that you already have somebody that does hair and makeup, and they don't have to go out and look and search for a hairstylist or a makeup artist. So a lot of people like that.
One less thing.
Yeah, and they like that it's a package because they don't have to do any more work. So now that I am done pressing her hair, I'm gonna add in the Hair Couture 7-piece clip-ons. And because her hair is a little bit uneven at the bottom, this is just gonna add some fullness. And a trick that I've learned is to take some pieces at the roots and tease them. So this has something the clips can grab onto. So if she's gonna be dancing at her wedding, if the wind hits it, if there's a lot of friction in the back, so the hair moves a lot, these clip-ins aren't gonna go anywhere. A tornado can hit her hair and they're still gonna stay. Grab your clips. I like to start from the middle part. So add that clip into that root and just close it off. And there's the first clip in. So now you can already tell that the ends are gonna be fuller. So now that I am done styling her hair, I pinned her hair back. She's gonna go off to makeup. After she's done her makeup, then I'm gonna just smooth down her flyaways and give it a little bit of extra shine, and we will be done after makeup.
Today, because she has such great complexion, she's like this caramel, like beautifully naturally tan, we're gonna give her some Beyonce, J-Lo, just glowy Rihanna vibe. Wait, we gotta do that over.
1, 2, 3.
Yes. Are you ready to see yourself?
Yes, I'm excited. It looks so beautiful.
Don't you?
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, guys, if you have any questions or if you want to book an appointment, go ahead and DM us or email us or text us at Glam by Vanity on Instagram and
Glam.bymelissac at Instagram.
Bye.